For a while I had been restless. I just wasn't feeling quite like myself.
Okay. Belinda! The hell is this, Guantanamo Bay? Belinda! Did the mail come in?
It's on the counter, sweetie.
Oh, sweet Jesus, what do we have here? Oh, slide it out. My God. Grantius Hillis. Oh, this is one of the best. Oh, Lord. Belinda, stay over there.
There's nothing like a good old-fashioned rubbing tub. Oh, yeah. Heard the lead is turning the frogs gay.
It's not the lead, it's the fertilizer.
It's that fertilizer again.
I don't like them putting chemicals in the water that turn the friggin' frogs gay.
Let me try it. Good as always, sweetie. All right, let's see what these kids are getting into nowadays. Crack this sucker. Oh my Lanta. The Holy of Holies. Belinda, this is gonna make you faithful again. Oh yeah, I'm about to upgrade.
Oh yeah, still clean. And after an arduous journey, I finally made it to Alameda Mall. And now's the easy part, browsing the shelves and seeing what I'm gonna take home. And I found it, baby. Oh yes, I found it.
Ah, yes, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time. We are back from Foot Locker House of Hoops with the sneaker that ideally will win my deceiving tramp wife back. Shout out Belinda. Inside this box, we easily have one of my favorite 90s Nike silhouettes. Without further ado, let's breathe it in, let's soak it up, and let's get to seeing what's inside. Here we go. My guys, inside the box, we have the Poltergeist White Nike Air More Up Tempos. Originally released in 1996, as is the year of our Lord Jesus Christ that you're watching this right now. Unfortunately, when I walked into Foot Locker, they didn't have the Chilean black colorway that I saw in the advertisement. But they did have this all white ghost color scheme with the red piping hits all throughout. When I first encountered the Nike Air Up Tempo, I was probably the tender age of 5, maybe 7. But we went to the Movie Palace to rent a VHS, right? It was Friday night, family movie night. We walk in, find George of the Jungle, walk out smelling like cigarettes. And yes, bruh, they seriously had half an illegal gambling operation in the back of this movie rental place. It is what it is. Shout out Coach Schwinn. Anyways, man, we walked out with George of the Jungle. I popped it in the VCR, and bruh, I first encountered these beautiful shoes in the black and white colorway. George of the Jungle threw them off feet and sprinted like an absolute maniac in these kicks. It was hands down some perfectly placed Hollywood advertisement, okay? The advertisement was straight crazy. But what also was crazy is this colorway right here, all right? It has the red hits, especially on the back. This thing is jeweled the hell out with the rubies, right? It has the red Nike swoosh all embroidered on the toe cap. A big full body Spectrum air bubble throughout the thick midsole. And my guys, this shoe is legible from a distance, right? Air in a big graffiti font, you can't miss it. Bro, you can seriously be at a second grade reading level and easily be able to decipher, make out, and read what the side of this shoe says. And I think that's why I gravitated towards it when I was so young. Yes, my reading level was high, young GT student. Anyways, man, these shoes just look so damn good. They're eagle talons just holding the laces. I love everything about these, and the fact that they came in a clean re-release, new white and red colorway. Oh yeah, that's something my feet can get behind. This is gonna be easy to match with, and I stay wearing white shoes, so why not just add a pop of 90s flair to already fly sneakers. Now, just as a little history lesson for you boys, there were 4 original colorways of the Nike up-tempos. So there was the George of the Jungle or Scottie Pippen black and whites. Then there were the Olympics, which were so nuts. They were navy with white letters, and the fact that they were just being rocked in the Olympics is just iconic in my opinion. Now, the other 2 colorways were pretty much all white with navy, and then there was the Chili, which had an all black upper, little red hits, white midsole. And those 4 I say are the original colorways because they all released in 1996. Now, me personally, I have 2 colorways of this shoe. I have the reds. I also have these up-tempos, which are super sick and kind of ironic because they have number 33 on the back, which is Pat Ewing's number, even though he was in an active rivalry and beef with Scottie Pippen whilst they were both playing basketball. Now, these I really like because the letters go all the way down to the midsole, so they're even more visible from a distance. No lie, they should probably have these at the DMV. Hold them far away from your face, and if you can make out what it says, hey, just give the old person a license, you feel me? Now, of course, it's one thing to show off a couple pair of up-tempos and to get into the history, but it's another thing to show you guys how to actually style and rock these shoes. So without further ado, let's get into a couple of up-tempo outfits.
With a new pair of shoes, everything was looking up. I felt vigor in my veins, and nothing could bring me down.
Belinda!
So with my mojo fully intact, there's only one thing left to do, and that was show my wife my brand new shoes.
Belinda? 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 Belinda! Reveal yourself. Where is my love? Do you hear that? It's the rumble of an engine. Blasted! It's Tyrone!
Despite the fact that I had brand new sneakers, unfortunately I had the same old wife. She went to the gym again with her newest training partner, and thus I was left by my lonely to ponder my next move.
And there we have it, ladies and gems, ladies and gentlemen, the Nike Air More Up-Tempo. 3 ways to style them, a little sprinkle of history, and hopefully you guys did enjoy the effort I put into this video. If you did, please smash the like button and drop a comment. It really does help me out. I shot most of this video, or not most of it, but a good half of it on this old school camera I got from my auntie, and converting the tapes, having audio snafus. I was recording audio on my phone and my phone glitched and the camera was fine for one really crazy take. So yeah, please just drop a like, drop a comment, and share this video if you guys did enjoy. I want to revitalize and revamp my channel, but do it the right way with some quality. I've been in a creative slump, and I feel like finding this camera really just erected me out of that slump, you heard? So yeah, that's not how you use that word. But if you guys liked the video at all, I would definitely appreciate some love and feedback. And yeah, those shoes cost $170. And shout out to the dudes at Foot Locker who showed love when I was in there. I have some more videos coming up very soon that I'll be shooting on this bad boy. And the sneakers may just come in at a slightly more achievable and favorable to my pocket price. All right, so until next time, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Live the dream, eat that ice cream.